Here's what you see in photos, and here's what you see in real life. Once upon a time, some 30 years ago, Thailand had very few tourists. It was clean, authentic, and untouched, kind of like how Bhutan is today. But now, Bangkok is the world's most visited city, and Thailand attracts more than 35 million outsiders every year. What's up guys, we are now heading into the Grand Palace of Bangkok, the most touristy site here in Thailand. While mass tourism may have its benefits, like pumping $100 billion annually into Thailand's economy, there are 5 major downfalls that have come as a result. High prices, sketchy scams, ruined nature, animal cruelty, and prostitution. Let's dig a little deeper. 1. Expensive prices. Aside from Singapore, I find Thailand to be the most expensive country in Southeast Asia. Since my first visit here 5 years ago, I've noticed prices rising and rising, especially near beaches or in big cities. While street food and taxis remain cheap, things like dining at restaurants and staying at a decent hotel are getting out of control. 2. Sketchy scams. As a tourist, it's hard to walk around Bangkok for an evening and not be a target or a victim of a scam. The most common are the tuk-tuk scam and the ping pong show scam. Both will invite you inside for a very cheap price, like 100 baht. Is this a ping pong show? Yes. How much? 100 baht, yeah. And then you'll be hit hard with a bigger payment that you're forced to pay. 3. Ruined nature. Thailand's natural beauty is quickly being destroyed by all the pollution, like plastic. In Bangkok alone, more than 600,000 plastic bags are used every day. Dozens of Thai islands have transformed into party playgrounds for young adults, and they are covered in trash. 4. Animal cruelty. Thailand is notorious for treating animals poorly at elephant sanctuaries and tiger kingdoms for the enjoyment of tourists. A few years ago, one famous tiger temple was raided and taken down after proof of drugged up tigers posing for photos. 5. Prostitution. Mass tourism has led to mass prostitution. Bangkok has 3 red light districts: Soi Cowboy, Nana, and Patpong. Just walk around and see girls dancing in doorways and pulling you inside for a special evening. And then there's freelancers who will try to get your attention on street corners. I realize that this video seemed negative about Thailand, but I want to highlight the extreme impacts that mass tourism can bring, not only to this country, but to many others around the world. The situation just happens to be the most severe in Thailand. I'm Drubinski, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.